Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got something to share with you today from Diamond Art Studio. I'm quite excited to see these in the flesh. I have got the box upside down because of course it's got all the address details on, but I didn't want to get in it first, so I cut the tape on the side of the box, but left cutting the tape on the top. But I have a purple package. Let's have a look. So this is one of their newer items, and of course I've unboxed it upside down. Thank you for your purchase. We pride ourselves on offering the highest quality diamond painting kits available straight from our UK warehouse. And that's a way that you can stay updated. But these are the new, bagged by Bagging Boy himself, crystal square diamonds. So these are like the rhinestones but square. Does that make sense? Yeah, they're square crystals. So we've got some pink, we've got what looks like a deep red slash burgundy slash purple. It just says 154. It looks very purpley. I'm looking forward to popping some of these in a painting. We then do have a purple. I'm going to have to tip some of these out to see them properly. We've got a red, a green, a yellow, in fact 702. Are they DMC numbers? It's the 153 that's confusing me. Yeah, because we've got 666 and 550, which is a purple. We've got green. We've got orange. Another orange. What's that? That's a burgundy. That's more of a burgundy colour. Another orange. Ooh, pretty blue. 959, always a good blue. 995, which is the turquoise blue. Oh, I need to get some of these out. Then we have, say, another orangey, pinky, a green, oh, another gorgeous blue, and a silver. So, say silver. It's 5200, so it's like a clear colour. Let me find a white tray. Let's go for a white tray so that we can see the true colours. Let's see if I can tip some of these out so that you can see them properly. So that's one way to do it. Just tip them all over the desk. I obviously didn't control that very well. Oh well. We keep mistakes on camera because why not? They happen to everybody. Let me just pick up these remaining crystals from all over my desk. I think I may have lost one. Okay, I have them in hand now. So let's get as many as possible to line up so that you can see the colour. But it's like a pink. It's more of a... I'm trying to think, what's the colour? It's a cross between... It's more of a mauvey colour. A cross between a pink and a purple. Very nice though. I like it. So that is number one. Sorry, this is quite a new tray, so I've got the whole static going on with the tray. They take a little bit to settle. Okay. That's them all out of that one. Let's have a look at what colour this one is. 154. Let's see if we can see a true reflection without sending them everywhere, please. Let's just tip out a few because why make things worse for myself? That is more of a deep purple, I'd say. More of quite a very deep purple. If you can see that properly. Does have just the way the light shines on it occasionally, it does look a bit more reddy in colour, or red in colour. Then we do have a purple. This is a true purple according to, like, when I look at it compared to the packet. We have got a little bit of static going on with these, but that's the purple. So I don't want to tip out too many of them. Oh, I forgot to put my... See, this is why you always put your stopper straight back in. It stops things like that happening. But we've got a little bit of static going on, but static tends to happen more with the quality diamonds than it does with the knot. So I'll take that. That is red 666. I'm trying to get it to the point where you can see more of the red than you can of the diamonds, but that's a red. I'm just going to empty out the ones that are not clearly a colour. That's the green. Otherwise we'll be here all day. That's more of a yellowy colour than an orange. It's a 725. It's got a hint of orange, but it's definitely more yellow. Whereas that one, as you can see, which is 741, is more of an orange. Trying to make sure I get my light shining in multiple ways. This is one that I now want to tip out. This is one that I think is more of a burgundy. It is 815. If I remember rightly, 815 is more of a burgundy colour. And I'm sending these ones everywhere as well. Oh, stopper back in. See, I nearly did it again. There we go. Can you see? Look how they line up as well. So that is more of a burgundy colour, which you can definitely see better in the tray. I'm fighting with static because it's a new tray and because of the drills. I think I need to go over this tray with a dryer sheet. Because they're 3D printed, occasionally they do need a little bit of de-staticking. Get in the bag, please. Okay, then we have more of a true orange. Oh, you can see that one's orange. Gorgeous blue. Turquoise. I'm going to use some of these in a painting. That one is the 995. So they're really nice aqua blue, but not as much aqua. That's more aqua. That's more, it's just a pretty blue. Then we have 3341. I think you can see that colour. 3812. So just in case you want to see the DMC numbers to go with, but that's more of a green. 3845. Let's put these blues together. Can you see the different tones in the blues? So we've definitely got a bit more green in that blue than this one, but if you put the three of them together there, you can see the different levels of blue. And then we have, which of course is the 5200, which is the clear one, but because of the silver back, what you see is the silver. I cannot wait to add these to my bags of diamonds and ABs. I've got some neons as well. I just need to get lots more diamond painting done so that I can add in crystals or ABs to paintings. But I'm really looking forward to adding crystals, and I now keep thinking, what square paintings have I got that I can add the crystals to? Because some of these are so pretty, and the fact that they have DMC numbers, they don't have to be an exact DMC number to match and to be able to exchange it. So for example, 995, you would get away with putting that somewhere that you have 996 probably, because they have a different look to the others. So the purple, you would get away with putting that somewhere else that you have a light purple. I mean, this one's classed as 550. You would probably get away with putting that somewhere that you have, is it 208, is another purple. You would definitely get away with that depending on the shading and the look of your picture. That's also like a limey green. So there's a couple of greens, a darker one and a lighter one. But if you had somewhere that had the more limey coloured green, you would definitely get away with popping that in instead. Same with some of these oranges and this pink, this sort of pinky colour. So yeah, rather excited to be able to give that a go. But thank you so much to Sam for sending me these. As always, love your work. Love your work, love your products. And very excited to be able to give these new crystal drills a go and get some mixed in on some future upcoming paintings. It is my goal for this year. So far I have kitted up paintings that have either had ABs in already or are for a comparison. But the next painting I'll be kitting up afterwards, I'm hoping I'll be able to get some form of AB, neon or crystal in. Otherwise, before I know it, it'll be December and I won't have met my goal. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.